Hello guys, so if you're looking to create website using Midjourney on Shopify, so if that's the case, you've come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. So as you can see, I'm already in my Discord. So after you come to your Midjourney Discord server, firstly, what you have to do is simply write a prompt. To write a prompt, click on the message bar, / then the imagine prompt. Now, you simply enter a prompt, like for example, a beautiful landing page for Shopify. Then just simply enter the product that you're selling on Shopify. Let's say for example, dog toys. Now just simply add some details that you want to see in your Shopify store, like clean UI UX design, modern, minimalistic. Then after that, just simply add the aspect ratio that you want. So for that, just simply hit space -- AR and the aspect ratio that you want. So for me, I'm gonna use 16:9, or instead 16:9, I'm gonna use 3:4. So enter the aspect ratio, then hit enter. Now just simply wait for the result to appear. So as you can see, it came up with the result and it's looking pretty good as well. Now if you want multiple variants of this particular prompt, you can just simply redo this over here by clicking on the redo option, then wait for the next image generation. So now when you have got more results, you can just simply upscale them or create variants of that particular result. Now for me, I'm gonna upscale this particular variant and create more variants of this particular image. So it is gonna be U1 and V4. To upscale the first one and create multiple variants of the fourth one. So again, wait for the image to generate. So as you can see now, the variants have appeared and they are looking pretty good as well. So that's how you can create a concept art for Shopify store in Midjourney. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.